Hello there. Today, let's learn about relative clauses. Are you ready? Well, a relative clause gives us more information about a person, place, or thing. We often use who, which, and that. For people, we use who, like in, that's the woman who lives next door. For things, we can use which or that. This is the book which I bought yesterday. This is the book that I bought yesterday. Both are correct. Basically, to sum up, we could say the following. We use who for people and which or that for things. Relative clauses help us join ideas together and make our English more natural. For example, instead of saying, I met a woman, she works at the bank, we can say, I met a woman who works at the bank. So, instead of having two separate sentences, we only have one. And there you have it. Relative clauses made easy. English is really easy if we can make it simple and easy to understand. This is what I have been doing for over 30 years, and I haven't failed yet. By the way, did you guess where I was yesterday? If not, watch the next image to find out. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!
Speak English with Susan.